before you watch the video. Subscribe the channel now. Yes, right now. The new generation Mercedes-AMG G63 has already welcomed its first tuning job, just a couple of weeks after its introduction. Made by Lumma Design, the aftermarket parts include a wide-body kit with large wheel arches that increase the AMG G-Class width by 40 mm, 1.57 in, on each side. New bumpers, side skirts, and DRLs are part of the offering, along with the full carbon fiber bonnet with vents designed to improve engine cooling. The lightweight material was used on the mirror caps, door handles, and side mouldings as well. The tuner fitted the range-topping German 4x4 with a new sports exhaust system with flap control and square exhaust outlets, and the dual-tone exterior is complemented by 23 or 24-inch alloy wheels, with central locking optics. Send the new Mercedes-AMG G63 to Lumma and they will retrim the interior as well. In this case, the official renderings reveal a dual-tone look of the cabin that mimics the exterior, aluminium pedal set, and special carpet mats with leather edging, but other personalization items are available. In addition to the aforementioned exhaust, the only mechanical upgrade is an optional suspension lowering kit. The 4.0-litre twin-turbo V8 engine remains stock, 585 PS, 577 horsepower, and 850 Nm, 627 pounds-to-foot, of torque, but the tuner says that performance upgrades are in the pipeline and will be announced shortly. In the meantime, the 2019 Mercedes-AMG G63 is getting ready for its world premiere next week, in Geneva.